Number 2. Pampanga is home to famous chefs and restaurateurs. From Nora Daza, who pioneered Filipino restaurants in Paris and New York, to Jean Gonzalez, who founded the Center for Asian Culinary Studies, to Jam Melchor, who founded the Philippine Culinary Heritage Movement. From Sandy Daza and Cloud Tayag to Aching Lilian Borromeo and Sao del Rosario. From Larry Cruz, who gave us Cafe Adriatico and Abe Restaurant. To Rico Ocampo, who gave us Kai and Mangan Restaurants. From Maritel Nevera of Cabalen Restaurant, who made eat-all-you-can dining fashionable. To Timothy Flores of Kasama Restaurant in Chicago, the first Filipino restaurant to receive the prestigious Michelin star.